Good morning, children. Today we're going to learn about healthy eating and nutrition. Does anyone know why eating a variety of foods is important? Let's start with fruits and vegetables. Who can name a fruit they like? Great choice. Apples are rich in vitamin C, which helps keep our immune system strong. And how about vegetables? Can someone name a vegetable? Exactly. Carrots are packed with vitamin A, which is good for our eyes. Whole grains are also important. Foods like oatmeal, brown rice, and whole wheat bread give us energy because they contain complex carbohydrates. Now let's talk about proteins. Who likes chicken, fish, or beans? These foods are excellent sources of protein, which helps our muscles grow strong. And don't forget about dairy. Milk, cheese, and yogurt provide calcium, which is essential for healthy bones and teeth. Eating a balanced diet means having a little bit of everything from the food pyramid. It's like building a strong house. You need all the parts to make it sturdy. Let's talk about when we should eat these healthy foods. Here's a simple eating timetable to follow. Breakfast, 7:30 a.m., 8 a.m. oatmeal with berries, vitamin C fiber, a glass of milk, calcium, vitamin D, a banana, potassium, vitamin B6. Morning snack, 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m. apple slices, vitamin C, a handful of almonds, healthy fats, vitamin E. Lunch, 12 p.m., 12:30 p.m., grilled chicken breast, protein, vitamin B6, brown rice, complex carbohydrates, fiber, steamed broccoli, vitamin K, vitamin C. Afternoon snack, 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m., carrot sticks with hummus, vitamin A, protein, a small yogurt, calcium, probiotics. Dinner, 6 p.m., 6:30 p.m., baked salmon, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, quinoa salad with mixed vegetables, fiber, various vitamins. A side of leafy greens like spinach, iron, vitamin A. Evening snack, 8 p.m., 8:30 p.m., a small bowl of mixed berries, antioxidants, vitamin C, a slice of whole grain toast with avocado, healthy fats, vitamin E. Remember, involving you in meal planning and preparation can make eating healthy more fun. Maybe tonight you can help your parents make a colorful salad or a delicious fruit smoothie. Let's quickly review the topic.
And veggies starts the tale, help you grow and never fail. Apples with vitamin C so bright. Carrots give your eyes clear sight. Whole grains like oatmeal and bread. I would like to give you the energy to forge ahead. Proteins from chicken, beans, and fish make muscles strong, your body's wish. Don't forget dairy for bones so tall. Milk and cheese will help you all. A balanced diet is what you need to be strong, healthy, and to succeed. Involve yourselves in meals, make it fun. Help your parents, everyone. Try new foods, give it a go. Healthy eating helps you grow, so remember kids, as you learn and play, eat healthy foods every day. From fruits to grains, proteins, and more. A balanced diet you can't ignore. So remember kids, as you learn and play, eat healthy foods every day. From fruits to grains, proteins, and more. A balanced diet you can't ignore.
Thank you so much, children. See you in the next class.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more video.